So we're gonna
Already
be
on.
doing some Cold War zombies on the Machine.
Hell yeah!
Just
You've
like
got a
old
green
times.
light, strike team. Happy hunting.
Man, I missed this.
You have your orders, strike team. Investigate the site. Contain the threat.
Oh,
You get the first one because you've already got my points.
I know you need to get headshot kills. I know that.
Is
We're
it a
trying to-
critical kill when it comes to headshot?
Yeah, we need to get you. Yeah, we're trying to get Aston Diamond shotguns.
I might have to get a
I
headshot.
did not expect
Well, it's
to
easier
see
to get a
this place
headshot.
again.
Just aiming at the head, really.
Though considering the experiments undertaken
Right,
here,
we can't
I
open the
should
door
have
yet.
known it would
Let's
not
camp here
remain
until
buried.
round 8 and then that's
It
then
should
we
have
go.
remained buried, Dr. Strauss.
Oh.
Team, find the facility entrance.
That's what I usually do. Or how do I remember these strats, man? I'm just trying to get points.
I got one headshot. How many headshots do I need?
I don't even know, but in total, across all the time you've played, you need to get 2,500. On each
I've probably
shotgun.
got 1,000.
On each shotgun, you need 2,500.
Mystery meat down!
Yeah. Am I gonna get like all the kills?
I mean, yeah, I'll let you get most of the kills. Like I said, I've got Frenzied Guard in case you go down. I just need to get Max Shield. That's all I need, and then I can save you whenever I need.
About.
As long as I have Max Shield, you're never dying. Because, like I said, even when you get rezzed, I'm just not gonna. They're not gonna target you. I'm still gonna get some points because I want to get perks, you know.
Neutralized. Brain muncher frag.
Mate, I missed it.
Mystery meat going down.
Sorry, I didn't actually mean to pick it up. Right, you know what, let's go early, why not?
Let's go.
You could get next door.
Yep. I'm just speeding through it, yep. It's got OG spot.
Yes! Oh, this is the one. You know what, the day this map got added, I knew zombies was going to be
Zombie
one
down.
of the best.
Anybody?
I don't have any long range weapons. Oh, wait, wait, you know your horror? If I buy a horror, I thought this is a custom weapon, so you could try out diamond in game.
Okay.
I'll try and get it in a minute. I know where it is. Hold up, come with me, come with me. Come with me, leave the zombies. Trust. Leave one zombie so we can go and get it. I might have to get you to open a couple of doors. I'm pretty sure it's only one. I'll kill this zombie. Wherever the... Yep. Alright, it's that door.
Locked door here.
Cheers. See, I can get you the horror. Oh wait, I need 2 guns. You know what, let's finish the round so I can get a few more points and then I'll buy it. Because I'll literally just buy this.
Was it the cheapest?
Yeah,
Eat
Alright.
popcorn while I'm waiting.
that's fine, I'll protect you, don't worry. Alright, I've got to check how much it is, because I might have enough. Oh, it's 1,000. Yeah, I'll be easily got enough. They're broken in there. Alright. Nearly done. I've literally got to buy it.
I bet.
Handgun's gonna have to do.
Let me do that. Alright, at least I got a decent pistol now. Oh, actually, you know what? Is that a Kimbo? Oh, I've got a Kimbo 1911s. Alright, come on. Come here, quick.
Yeah, I'm here.
Boom!
take
That's how I roll. Enemy destroyed.
Alright,
You
I'll
don't
put
actually.
the dime for one. Wait, I can't aim with the scope, I swear to God.
Got like 4 quick now.
Mate, I got a Kimbo 1911, this is sick. I could probably get these for you as well.
Shit on a shingle,
Defend your
bagged and tagged.
I'll tell you this one here. Actually, I'm gonna.
Marking
oh,
stun grenade.
Alright, let's go back to the spot. I'm gonna quickly. Oh, I can't even get stamina up. That's annoying. Alright, that was my last kill for now. Good.
Saving my weapon.
Just get rid of it now. You can get that
Infected threat removed.
one. 2,500.
400.
Oh, I've gone right there. Wait, don't kill him. I got decoy
Decoy
down.
up.
They all go for the decoy and you can guarantee me in one spot.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh,
Can't think about them for like nearly
Hanging
every shot.
Neutralize that rotten bastard.
right, I say we need to get for 5,000 points each and then we should go down. Because then we've got some extra
Yep.
points in case we need it.
The aim assist is crazy in Cold War.
Yeah, it
Holy.
is. It is nuts.
Like locking me onto their chest.
Yeah. Okay,
Let me go to the head. Crazy.
Look, do you remember that guy's emote in Modern Warfare? Scorpion shot.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm playing with my video game. Hold up. Get the one.
You'll never get on my level.
Can't hit my head.
Semi-tech. I really need to upgrade these pistols.
Yeah. Kind of bad.
Power?
Yeah.
Me,
What?
you want? You can just upgrade it.
Tally 5 kills.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm done, okay.
Well, it only works for
Target
my body,
eliminated.
like with one of my bullets. It doesn't kill it. I just...
Yeah, so that's it. It's
Yikes.
easy to get headshots. Let's just go down now, quick. Alright, let's go. I've got a frenzy guard if you go down.
Welcome to Project End Station. The doors don't normally behave like this.
Looks like our intel was solid. Whatever Omega Group did here, it caused the other dimensional breaches we've
No, I'm not
encountered.
oh no.
You remember anything relevant about your old Nazi stomping
You got the
grounds?
other one.
I had heard stories about expansion into dimensional research, but that's all it was. Just stories. I recommend we restore power to learn more.
Are we going straight in or what?
Yeah, let's go.
My God, the Atom Smasher.
Hound dogs.
I got armor. So frenzy guard works now.
Can you hear me?
I can literally just take an entire horde off of you at any time. Just let me know if you're in trouble and I'll literally just tap my bumpers.
Like go down or you go down? I feel like the phone Fraser.
Just make sure you don't die.
I'll just let you know. And if the headshots work for the zombie dog thingies, so
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they do.
I haven't got one headshot still though. But
Pro at this, bro.
victory!
I'm just that good.
Comm link reestablished. Thought we lost you there. What happened?
Mate,
Where
you
did they
can
go?
punch your shotgun.
It appears our strike team went on a little trip. Systems show they have now returned from the other side.
Mate, you know what? Do that.
Semtex!
Nice.
No beginning, I actually just bought ammo.
That's funny. Oh, we need to get the ether scope. Do you want to do the fully?
Which one do I get? Cyber Freeze, that one.
Yeah. Do you want to try and beat the Easter egg? I know most of the steps.
Wait, why don't we do the one where we have to shoot the little freaking things?
Get car freeze, okay? Oh yeah, it is. I'm gonna get the ether ball. You don't mind doing the Easter egg, do you?
What, the dots?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh wait, no. There's a different one, like the full Easter egg of the entire map, like the, you know, the big guys. Like when you wait, I haven't done the Easter egg with you, have I?
Yeah, I'm like, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh no.
I'm literally
Wait,
clueless.
I'm not even lying. I've forgotten where most of the dots are.
I know where most of them are. You called a shot one. Yeah, that's fine. Run after her. I'll get that one.
Hopefully I can shoot that one. By the way, if you guys don't know, this is the Cliff and Dog Easter egg. Holy
That goes
sorry,
in.
I'm literally
Back.
sorry. You saw what was
How
on
do I
me,
get
didn't
this
you?
one over here?
I've already got it. Where are you? Oh, it's over here, it's over here.
I only need one.
Okay,
We can
sure.
get it done. Well, there's like two zombies left.
I know where the last one is. Alright, yeah, I'm shooting now.
Hey! Finish your
Cliff and
safety!
Dogs. Imagine you get a ray gun. You can have the ray gun, I don't mind.
Yeah.
If we do get one. Cliff and Dogs. Everyone have some sweets.
You'll never get on my level.
Where's the popcorn? I'm gonna grab it. Oh, everywhere.
Sweets.
Where?
Take a sweet. Flippy. Play my video game.
You'll
Look.
never get on my level.
Play my video game. Alright, let's see what the chest gives. Oh wait, big guy's gonna spawn. We gotta get it quick.
Observing a high concentration of radioactivity moving on your position.
I'll take that.
Get some. Crap.
I'm low.
Sorry.
I'm so low.
Mate. However, I'm Molotov.
Here, cactus zombie.
We need to do this so we can, by the way. It includes, you know, the wonder weapon.
Continues its
Dying.
existence.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
No. I found the right one. I need stamina bad. I'm quick, guys. There's, you have got them. Oh.
Whoa! Oh, one dead.
No, you're good. You're good. Crap, I'm good. Come on. I'm coming to help.
Enemy deleted.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Medic!
Shit. Thank you very much. I'm going to get my
Dead.
I need Pack-a-Punch, but I'm going to get my heals back.
Both of the minions are dead.
Alright.
This Type 63 is so good. I don't know
Oh,
why
get the
I
key card,
found
get the
it.
key card, get the key card.
Yeah, I did. I got it.
Thank you so much. That's one of the best parts of this. That's one of the parts of the Easter egg.
Right, I'm using my shotgun now. I could use my shotgun for so
I'll
much.
grab
for
a
that.
gun. I need my jug now.
I'm coming up to your
Joggy,
rack.
you've come to me. I need to go back down there, mate. I need to go in the most dangerous location on the map. You don't know where I'm gonna go. It's literally the most dangerous location on the map. Come with me. Oh wait, no, I'll just go the long way.
What, that little room? Not really
Yeah,
little,
the tiny little one at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I swear I've done this Easter egg with you. I'm not sure though.
Oh, thank God there's no zombies here.
Parish.
Alright, I got
Scanning for decompressive isotopic estrangement machine.
it. Alright, we gotta go and get the wonder weapon, bro. You can have my dual pistols if you want.
Actually, no. I'm gonna keep my Type 63.
Alright. Yeah,
Red.
right, yeah,
Punch
finish.
2 points.
finish
Oh
the
no,
round,
insta
if
kill.
Just finish the round.
DIE
Done.
signals detected.
Wait, one more. Hold on. Oh, it's above.
I
It's
need to
above.
get a massive horde, so don't kill any this round. That's all I want.
It's not even done.
Round 1 is nearby, strike team.
Okay.
Exfil window is short.
Want me to help you
Take
with
it
it or
now if
no?
you're ready.
I get in the horde,
just in
like
case
run around
anything
like
goes wrong.
constantly.
Yeah, I will. Just get
DIE
a massive horde.
signal lost.
I'll tell you what,
Just
bring it.
sprint
Just bring
run,
it
yeah,
in
because
here.
then we gotta run in here, yeah, and
Go
then it
to the
like
other
blows
side.
out all of here. Yeah,
Mate, this is only the start of the
Easter
Easter egg.
Turn on remotely. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that though.
Yeah, I don't yet. Just, I'll go get this massive
Yeah,
horde.
I've done this one with you. I've done this one with you before.
Yeah, but not the full
I'm
Easter egg. The
helping
full
you.
Easter egg takes like an hour and a half. Swear to God.
I'm not doing the whole full one, Jesus. I don't have enough time for that.
It gives you a complete alternate ending to the map. Yeah, that
DIE signals detected.
the Easter
do
egg
when you
that
want
we're
me to
gonna
run
do
in,
gives you
because
a
I've got
different ending.
time.
You don't exit, you don't die, you don't quit. It's a completely different ending. That's the whole point. Right, yeah, bring it in, bring it in.
Yep. Oh my god, that's 8 minutes. All we're getting before in. Right, I'm coming in now.
Right. Yeah, come in. There is oh yeah, I take it back. There's quite a few. Don't kill him. We can bring him back through. Just keep running. Just keep running.
Just keep running. I'm dead. I'm dead.
System overload imminent.
Oh crap. Oh, we didn't get him. We didn't get him. Okay, well on. If only I could.
I'm dead. Bye. I should go down.
How are we so bad, bro? We used to be so good at this.
I haven't played in like months of time.
Fair enough, let's do another round, you know? Of course we died trying to do the Easter egg. I'll do it to get the, I want to get the Electro Wonder weapon, because you can literally tack sprint and fire at the same time.
I honestly might just come off. God. I'm getting kind of bored already.
That's fine. Well, that's been
Oh,
zombies,
what
I
are we
guess.
gonna play? Yeah.
Well, we'll probably be streaming this again, like, some point this week. So, yeah, see you on the next one.